BBBY. Why is this stock being massacred and being attacked by the short sellers, hedge funds, and the moneymakers? There is this concept of what do you call bankruptcy, Chapter 11. And there is this things that happening with BBBY where there are investors investing with BBBY. The question is BBBY going to survive the bankruptcy? And does BBBY going to stay in the NASDAQ list, right, to be traded? In my own opinion, the short sellers, the market makers, and hedge funds are seriously attacking this stock to make sure that this company goes bankruptcy and hoping that the stock go all the way down and remove from the NASDAQ rating, right? The problem is the company now have equity or money that is able to survive through this bankruptcy and able to stay towards the NASDAQ list. That is my opinion. Why do I think that? Well, it's because in a strategic application, in order to survive, you have so many of these stores that you also have closed, right? You close the stores. Now what happens? Now you have more money. Now you have more equity. You have less people to pay. You have less people to the money that is burning are way less or massively less than what it used to be. Therefore, the company now have funds to continue to survive, to do their business. They actually have a chance now to survive. And that's what the short sellers, the market makers, and the hedge funds doesn't want you to know, all right? If you look at this information right here, there is a massive short position on BBBY. There is about 76% of the free float has been borrowed and been shorted, okay? And they didn't want to return this. How come BBBY is also on the threshold list? Why is BBBY on the threshold list? It's because the market makers, the hedge funds, and the short sellers, they are purposely not delivering this ordered by the retail investors. Let me prove that to you. Okay, let me prove it to you. If you look at this information right here, okay, let's look at the threshold list. You see that? Okay. We're going to blow it up and we're going to look at the threshold list, which is this one right here. So if you look at that threshold list, BBPY since January 10, they are purposely not delivering all the stocks that being ordered by the retail investors since January 10 of 2023. So this is today, if you look at it's March 9, so it's March 10. So January, February, March 9. This is a massive manipulation of the system. Massive manipulation of the system. This is cruelty, and this is bluntly, the stock is being attacked by the short sellers. It's because they don't want to pay all of this money back, right? They want to keep all of it. But at this time, retail are aware of their tactics. If you look at it right here, threshold list fails to deliver since January 9. That is a problem, right? January 9, February 9 is 1 month. February 9, March 9, January, February, March 9. This is almost 2 months, okay? This is almost over 60 days of being in the threshold list. And the short interest free float right now is 75.65%. That is massive, which is 86.22 million shares of BBBY have been borrowed by the short sellers and they have not returned. Look at the cost to borrow. almost 300%. Okay, borrowed shares today, they borrowed about 900, almost 1 million shares. Okay, almost 1 million shares they borrowed to short the stock. Look at the utilization. This broker right here have already let out 100% of what is available stocks to be shorted. Okay, shares on loan, take a look at the shares on loan, is 105.6 million. 105.6 million. That is shares that they borrowed and they have not returned. That is almost 92.66%. Okay, if you convert all of these, the short interest value is estimated. If you convert that in dollars, that is a total of $106.26 million that are pretty much not have returned. This is bluntly a manipulation of the stock. There is going to be a reversal of this stock. Why is it going to be a reversal of the stock? Look at this. This is BBBY, okay? And we are on the 1 hour mark. Let's take a look at a 1 minute mark, okay? 5 minute mark, 30-minute mark, 1 hour mark, okay? It seems that today the stock went to 1.13 cents and got denied. Okay, and it got denied, and it's starting to go reversal. All right, reversal. So we know that we are pretty much, our bottom is like 1.13 to 1.14 cents, and it starts to go up. And over here, every time it goes up to $1.22, the short sellers will attack the stock and shorted the stock. Okay, short. Because no one is selling at this time. What they're doing right now is pretty much, the short sellers are pretty much shorting the stock to go down. Okay, they are waiting for all of us to give up and sell our share so that they can buy it back at a cheaper price. So there is a reversal. There is a massive uptick or a squeeze that is about to happen on BBBY. Again, I repeat, this company, in my opinion, will survive through the bankruptcy. This is not financial advice. Always remember, I am not a financial advisor. I am not very smart. I am not very intelligent. This is my opinion only with regards to BBBY. Now, do you want to position yourself at the higher price where you're chasing it, or do you want to position yourself where the stock is actually reaching the bottom price and in the verge of a reversal? You want to position yourself around this price range. It's because later on when it pops, right, everybody else will start to buy the stock, FOMO, and it's because you are at the lowest position. You are in a great position. It's because you are aware of what is about to happen on BBBY. A massive short squeeze is going to happen on BBBY. The short sellers, the market makers, and the hedge funds, they don't want you to know this. It is because what they're doing is they're doing this bankruptcy play. They're doing this manipulation of the stock. They are attacking the stock massively to put it down to the lowest price. What they didn't realize is when they put this stock at the lowest price, now it's a lot cheaper for us to position ourselves in the lowest price of BBBY. BBBY now is at this price range that is very, very, very affordable. Okay, 52-week high on BBBY is about $30. 52-week low is about $1.13, and that occurred today. 50-week low occurred today. We are at the lowest possible price range of BBBY. A lot of the retail investors are aware of it, and now they are going to buy the stock at a cheaper price. They're going to position themselves, and they're going to wait for that massive news that BBBY is going to announce. Yes, BBBY very soon will be announcing great news, and then you will see a massive pop, a massive uptick, a gap up on this price of BBBY. Okay, guys, what else I can tell you? Right now, if you look at the volume, is pretty much going for 42.75. The previous close is $1.23. Okay. Today, the high is $1.23, and we open up at $1.22, and the low is $1.13. The free float right now is 114 million, and the cap is 136 million share million. Okay. My name is Rara Coco. If you like this kind of update, please subscribe, please hit the like button, please hit the notification button so that you can get an update with regards to any stock that I am interested in. And that is a stock that is pretty much in the verge of a reversal, in the verge of popping, in the verge of an opportunity to make money on. So again, BBBY is being attacked by the short sellers, the market makers, and the hedge funds. And the retail investors are not going to allow that to happen. I'm letting you know now. Of course, this is not a financial advice. May you have love, peace, prosperity, and good health be with you all. Thank you very much, and you have a great day.